Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone guys OTG connection setting guys. How can we on OTG connection? Friends, you want to on guys your phone OTG connection in your Tecno phone device. So then how can you on it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we on guys phone OTG connection. Friends, you will have to turn on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, once you can see this type of setting, so once you can search also guys, you don't know how where is OTG connection, so guys you can search here guys OTG. So once you can see guys your OTG connection guys, tap here. Once you can see direct guys, you can on guys your OTG connection from here. So once you can use your OTG connection guys, you can see not connected with the OTG cable. So as you can on and guys you can use your phone OTG connection setting from here. You want to off again once, so once you want to off, you don't want to use, so you can off from here guys. So guys, like that guys, you can turn off guys your phone OTG connection. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.